Basic mold making. Welcome to Keepsaker Supplies. I'm Nikki Kaminga, and this basic mold making video is an introduction to making silicone, sphere and bead molds for resin jewellery. You'll find the link to all the supplies I'm using in the description, and if you've got any questions, please leave me a comment. Layer all your supplies, then give all of your sphere and bead mold masters a quick polish. It's really important to double check they're the correct size. Here I'm using 11mm stainless steel spheres and medium bead mold masters, which you can purchase from keepsakersupplies.com. Then I'm using plasticine to create sprues, giving you a nice pouring spout for the resin when you're using the molds. For small sphere molds, you can create worms, which I cut into small pieces and roll into balls for the sprues. If you have one, use a polymer clay extruder tool to make nice even worms. It helps make sure that your sprues are even and uniform in size. You could use sprue wax for metal casting, but I find plasticine leaves less residue on my mold masters. Alternatively, I'm rolling out some plasticine and cutting out 5mm discs with the leather punch tool. Usually I prefer to extrude larger worms and cut them into slices because it's quicker. You can roll them into balls if you prefer, or leave them as discs like I'm doing here. Use some long nose pliers to pick up each sphere, give it a quick polish, be careful not to leave fingerprints, place on some plasticine, then transfer into the 20mm disposable shot glass we're using as mold housing. It takes a bit of practice, so don't worry if they fall at first. Be patient and you'll get the knack of it. The technique for large hole beads is almost the same. You'll need the discs around 6mm or so, just enough to cover the hole. I sometimes use a round paintbrush handle to transfer the bead to the shot glass. Once all of your masters are ready in the housing, you're ready to measure, degas and pour your silicone. In our advanced mold making course coming later this year, I'll be showing you how to do all of this along with other techniques. We'll learn to make mold housing for various projects by recycling household items, which types of silicone work and which don't, and how to maximize space for flatbacks and stones. I'll also show you how to create your own mold masters or blanks with polymer clay, laser cut acrylic or a 3D printer. To remove the shot glasses, give them a crunch and they'll come off very easily. These are plastic-free shot glasses, but unfortunately they can't be reused. You can reuse the plasticine though. If you're using a good brand of silicone, the master should be easy to remove without tearing or cutting the mold. I find that customers prefer if a mold isn't cut, otherwise you get imperfections in the resin cast. Use a pair of scissors or a cuticle trimmer to remove the excess silicone from around the base. You can wrap the mold masters in some fabric or bubble wrap, but I tend to store them in a bag. Don't get the stainless steel wet or it can rust. The molds don't need to be washed before use. I always recommend customers do a test cast with resin before use to check the molds for imperfections and make sure it's the mold they need. Jewellery molds are really fun to make if you're able to invest in equipment and learn. They have a good profit margin, and I'm happy to answer any questions that you have in the comments. I use water clear silicone because you need clear molds for UV resin, which I use for all of my keepsakes. I have 2 free courses for making breast milk and memorial jewellery on keepsakersupplies.com, and please follow for more mold making and resin tutorials. Now, relax and do some crafting.